Hi guys, today we are gonna do some chicken biryani.
Take a pan, put oil, put onions, every bit of onions. Then
How are they
wait
chopped?
for it to
Are they
get.
sliced? Are they chopped? Are they finely chopped? Are they?
I am here to give voiceover to these black onions.
It's
The
called barista.
new Avenger after Black Falcon, Black Widow, and Black Panther. Okay, we'll
You
take.
just lost the chicken.
No, chicken is there. We'll take the salt in slow motion. Pour it over the chicken
You missed turmeric.
along with turmeric and the red chili powder, which we'll also pour over the chicken.
I'm pretty sure your voice is not
We
audible.
will pour some sugar and a little bit of sugar, jeera powder, then
Oil.
okay, I thought Ganga water. Then this black onions,
It's called barista.
black barista, black batista,
Black Lives Matter.
and then white lives also matter. So white yogurt and a little bit of this.
It's garlic.
It's garlic, yeah, and this is ginger, and we'll mix the chicken with all those ingredients.
The marinating it.
Now again a little bit of Ganga water.
No, it's rose water.
It's rose water
Kevra water and little bit of vinegar.
and Ganga water.
Ganga water I'm not adding. No, I don't know to shuddify the chicken.
Then we'll put some potatoes
In the same barista oil,
Yes.
the one which I used
and
for
and
frying
we'll
the-
fry them till it is black.
No, it is brown. Don't blacken it.
And it will again some turmeric we'll use,
We need it to
little
be
bit of-
golden, you see.
salt,
Golden. That's all.
then we'll show our cooking skills
Steering skills actually.
and we'll cover it up. Our cooking skills will be covered. Now we'll put rice.
We'll try to do some small slow motion, but the slow motion failed.
It is so fast that the slow motion is like average motion. And we'll use some bay leaf.
I had to soak up the basmati rice, like the side and keep it out. This is just whole spices, bay leaf, some cinnamon sticks, some cardamoms and stuff.
Ilaichi,
Ilaichis is
chopped
also
onions.
Brown. Fry them.
It got black now, so it's done. we'll pour that marinated chicken. We'll mix it up with the.
See, liquids are poured, okay? These are solids. How are you pouring everything? I don't understand.
We are pouring solid also now in Shodhpur. It's in trend, so we'll pour solid, semi-solid, whatever it is.
Okay.
Now the chicken are also turning black, so it's fine.
No, it's not fine. Actually,
Till
see, it
you-
has to leave out some oil.
It's-
See, this time you can see the oil. Can you see the oil?
Yes.
It was done for your case only because you were saying that there's no oil left. And drop in the onions
Drop
as
in
well
those
as
black onions.
the barista. Say barista. Try baby barista. Okay, it's not gonna
I
happen.
only know Dave Batista.
The one WWE Batista.
No, Drax Batista.
Oh.
Okay, we'll pour some liquid. I
No,
don't
that's
know what
actually
it
that marinated chicken ball. I
that is
washed
broth.
some water and used those. It's not broth actually. It's not
is. We are
cooked.
recycling.
Yeah, we're trying to
Save Earth.
save as much as possible.
One world, one people.
Carly is dead. Spoiler alert.
We'll cover the chicken.
Now the sizzling hot water. We're gonna boil some rice. the rice that which is soaked up, no, the basmati rice, you're gonna cook it separately.
Till it's black.
Till it's white. Rice cannot go black. If rice goes black, I don't know what you're doing wrong. You're doing everything wrong, to be honest. Whole spices again, okay?
Yes. The elaichi won't pop up. It said that make me black, I'll pop up.
See, I'm doing everything in one-handed because you won't help me record. And that's the, like, what do you call it?
We'll add some salt. A little bit of salt till it's salty. I'll check what is the status of our chicken. They are almost cooked.
Cooked. And it's yummy looking.
And it's black and burnt. So
Yeah.
now we'll boil our
See, when it's rolling boiling, it's called rolling boiling. When the water is rolling boiling, you'll have to drop in your soaked up rice. Actually, try to remove rinse the rice beforehand.
or it will turn black. We can
No,
add a
it
little
will
bit
become
of ghee.
soggy. A little bit of ghee and a little bit of
And
kevra
we
water
have-
and rose water. And
We
now
have
the slow
recorded-
motion.
Yeah, it looking like a lot of coronavirus swimming in that bowl.
With you, people are gonna eat. See, it's about food. What? Face palm.
Now you can see
Oh,
the-
sorry, I just missed something here. I had strained the boiled rice, like the rice once it's half boiled, like not even half, it's parboiled. I just rinsed off the water, drained the water, sorry, not
Excess
rinsed,
water.
and then we are layering of the chicken as shown in the video. Be gentle with your rice, it might break. This is a long grain basmati rice. What is your opinion about the rice?
I only bought the rice. It's should be good.
Oh, why
Unless
did it
and
not turn black? Because you wanted everything in black today.
I was not even trying to do anything.
Oh, see, you missed the recipe here. What am I doing here?
It's you have to mix a little bit of turmeric with
A little bit
milk,
of milk,
and
rose
then
water.
drink it up. It
No,
tastes
no.
really good. Okay.
This
It will
is-
give you energy.
This is instead of turmeric, you can use saffron, milk, and kevra water, as well as rose water, and that
Your family will
aroma
provide
water,
you
as in.
on your first night. They'll provide you this milk with saffron and haldi in it.
And after that, in your life, you'll never be able to afford the saffron, so we'll just suffice with haldi. Okay, I've used a foil, kitchen foil, to make sure that it is tightly packed, and then we are placing back the lid and putting it on dum. Make sure you have your flame low every time you're letting it to dum. And it's done. Ta-da! Please notice the person who's serving. I mean, the work, the beautiful work. It goes all around the pan and outside the pan. And I had no control over it because it was him doing it.
You can see the chicken are black now. I am satisfied.
What about the potatoes?
The potatoes are just about to be black. It was saved by 1 or 2 minutes, or it will be black as well. The biryani was black. It was black biryani, black themed biryani.
But I can
Please
see a
try
lot
this
of
at home.
white and the yellow. How come you see only black? I don't understand.
Serve with chicken masala.
It looks like pickle. Thank you for watching.
Tata, bye.